morning. It is currently 6:30 a.m. on Saturday, and I have just woken up, gotten dressed, and I thought now would be an appropriate time to give you my apartment tour. I moved in yesterday after a very long night of drinking, so I was pretty much out of commission all day yesterday. And now I'm here to recall and recount the tale and to show you where I'll be for the next 3 to 4 months. Let's get started. To start, here's the entrance with the shoe closet, and here we have the genkan. So this is where you take off your shoes and put on slippers. And immediately here's the kitchen, a hot plate, place to wash my dishes, some storage, and here we have a little fridge, cupboards, here we have another fridge. It's pretty nice. And the freezer's down there, and the range, the microwave slash little thing that does everything. It can toast, fry, heat up a bento. It can do frozen foods. It's pretty useful, to be honest. On this side of the entrance, we have the bathroom, the deep tub, and the shower. Here's my stuff. Pretty basic. And over here, we have the toilet. So there's the bidet, of course, and then we have this. So basically when you flush, you wash your hands. It's pretty nifty. Bye bye. And then we have the bedroom. There's a little step down of my charging stuff, and this is the bedroom. This is the door. Here we have my closet. This is for doing laundry, so when you're done washing, you hang everything up to dry. Here's my dirty clothes, my suitcase. Here's me. A very nice window. A desk and TV. The bed. My little bedside table. And then there's the air conditioning. And then you can wrap around like this to secure the curtains in place. If I can hook it back on, there we go. And then unlock. And here is the washing machine. And a place to hang the laundry. And this is my view. And that concludes my little apartment tour. I I am so excited to be here and really settle in. Obviously I've been like unpacking my suitcases, but that's a task for a different day. I'm going to head off to breakfast soon, hopefully, because I am so hungry. I barely ate anything yesterday because my tummy was hurting from drinking too much. So I have to do that. But hopefully I can document it a little bit more now that I'm out of the hotel and not around like all the other students. Yeah, there's a little bug. I think it might be a mosquito because I have some bug bites on me. But anyway, thank you for enjoying my apartment tour, and yeah, I'll see you soon.